If you are using CapCut on your slow computer or old computer which doesn't have much performance, so let's see how we can fix that problem. To edit any video using CapCut, your computer needs much faster. Without any faster computer, it is becoming very difficult to edit the footage. So let's see how we can edit videos smoothly on CapCut with a slow computer. So at first we need to open CapCut and then we have to create the project. We can click the create project, or if we already have a project, we just need to click it to open it. Once it is opened, on the right side of this window of CapCut, at the bottom corner you will see modify. We just need to click here and the modify window will be opened. From here we will find two tabs are there: details, performance. We just need to click on performance and then it will bring this type of window. From here we have to enable this proxy, and here it is written turn it on to edit smoothly and faster without losing video quality. So if you are using slow computer and if you are facing lots of difficulty to edit the video, just turn it on. We can just click it and this will be turned on, and then we can choose a resolution whichever is required for our need, and finally we have to press the save button. So this is one way to edit the video in CapCut very smoothly in older computer or the computer which has performance slower compared to recent computer. This is one option, and there is another option. I'm going to roll back it so that I can show you the other way to do this thing. So I'm going to click performance and I'm going to disable it, and then I'm going to save it. Now I'm going to close this thing. The other option is when we open CapCut, on the top side we will find settings. We just need to click here and then it will open these menus. From here we have to choose settings, and then again on the top side we have couple of tabs are there. We have to jump to the performance, this tab. Once you click here you'll find like this. Now here you'll find proxy and there is a checkbox, and here it is showing turn it on to edit smoothly and faster without losing video quality. We just need to click here to check this thing, and finally we have to press this save button. I'm going to click here and it will be saved, and that's it. Now we can edit our videos smoothly on CapCut with a slow computer.